product that's required for this recipe. Today I am making chicken broccoli Alfredo for my family, and I am going to show you guys how to make a easy Olive Garden style Alfredo sauce, homemade right at you guys home. What you guys gonna need is 2 cups of whipping cream, 1/2 cup of butter. I have garlic stirring paste. You can get like garlic and cut it up and put it in the Alfredo, which I got something that's easy for me just to, throw in. And you can use salt and pepper to taste, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And that's all you need. On medium-low heat, we're going to melt our 1/2 cup of butter. We're melting our 1/2 cup of butter in a saucepan. Now that the butter is melted, you're going to add your cream. Now I'm squeeze my minced garlic in there. Get a little bit more. Okay. Now you want to add your salt and pepper. I'm doing this with one hand. Now you're going to let that come to a simmer. I didn't mention this before, but you want to go ahead and stir. You really want to take this slow as you are heating this up. Just make sure it's on low medium heat. Just keep on stirring. Now that we are at our simmering, I'm about to dump in my Parmesan cheese. The Parmesan cheese is in there, and I'm blending it all together. And that's all you have to do, guys. Homemade Alfredo at home that tastes just like Olive Garden. You can always put in your own flavors, but this is how I do it. This is why all my family always love my chicken broccoli Alfredo. See how easy that was? Now you can start buying $15, $10 of pasta sauce at the grocery stores, and you can make your own, and it's cheaper, and it's so much better. Here is the result.